So when we graph this, the first thing that we have to do is we have to find the slope, right? The slope. Remember, the slope is equal to m, and m is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, right? So this is your y2 here. This 6 is y2, and then y1 is right here, and this is x2, x1, right? So that would be equal to y2, so that's 6 minus y1 is 1 all over x2 is 3, x1 equal 1, that's equal to 5 over 2. That is our slope. And to graph this point, we have to use the this equation here, y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. And for the y1 and x1, we can use any of these points here. So we just use the first one. So y minus y1 here, 1 is equal to the slope 5 over 2 x minus, so x1 is equal to 1, and then y minus 1 is equal to, we multiply this out, 5 half x, and then minus 5 half, right? And then we want to bring this 1 over, so y is equal to 5 half x minus 3 half, right? Because 5 half, negative 5 half x plus 1, and so this equation here is the same thing as this, right? So to graph this equation, so remember from the slope intercept, it's slope intercept form. So y equal m, excuse me for that, mx plus b, right? Y equal mx plus b. So the m is this one, the 5 half, which is the slope, and b is equal to negative 3 half. So b is the y-intercept. So if you have the graph here, this is x, it's y, and then, so let's go with this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So negative 3 half is equal to negative 1.5, right? So assuming this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So negative 1.5 would be right here. And then the slope is 2, 3. The slope is 5 over 2, so it's go up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's go over 2, 1, 2, right here. So this line is this line here. Remember the slope, you go up, which is you go up 5, and then you go over 2. You go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you move over 1, 2.